Welcome to the CAD Builder video tutorial series. In this video, we will take a look at setting the holes for your adjustable shelves. Adjustable shelf joints have unlocked the front to rear, rear to front, front and rear, and centered hole offset options. This allows for additional customization for additional hole column locations. First, we will open a relevant connection. For today, I will open the standard 32mm shelf pin boring connection, and when I select the holes arrangement option, you will see that the holes can now be arranged in a similar way that we do with hole boring. Front to rear, rear to front, front and rear, and centered. If, for example, you want to drill holes for an adjustable shelf, but also leave holes for a potential adjustable rollout tray in the future, you would select front and rear for the holes arrangement option. Once you do that, you will see a front hole cluster and a rear hole cluster, which you can now manipulate directly. So for this example, I will select front hole position and set it to 2 inches. Next is the front hole's quantity, and we will set this to 2. The second hole will be set according to the spacing I set in the front hole spacing, which is the next option down. Here I can keep this at the default of 32mm, or I can set my own value here. Let's set this at 3 inches for today. Now for the rear holes, I will follow a similar process, starting with the rear hole position, in which I can set the distance from the front or from the rear, or set it to have no rear holes. For our example today, I will set this at 2 inches and will set the hole quantity to 2. Then the second rear hole, I also want it at 2 inches away from the first rear hole. I'll leave the middle holes empty for now. Now we'll open the wireframe editor to see the result of these options that we have set. In this cabinet construction, we can see that the other 2 columns have been drilled as specified. Now remember, these are specified according to the front and back edges of the adjustable shelf. So we have the first hole from the front edge of the shelf, first hole from the rear edge of the shelf, and the subsequent holes are offset from those. With the additional hole settings available, you will be able to customize hole locations for your adjustable shelves, rollout trays, as well as others to the specific needs you have for your cabinets. Thank you for watching. For more video tutorials, please visit our website at www.cadbuildersoftware.com/training. Thank you.